You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the 5 fingers of a typical human hand. First is thumb. The P is silent. Indeed, you have to pronounce the TH with your tongue between your teeth. The thumb. Index finger. The index finger. The index finger. The middle finger, the longest one. The ring finger, where you put a wedding ring, usually. Ring finger. And the pinky. Finger is pronounced finger in British English, or the American pronunciation is finger. So, pinky, ring finger, middle finger, index, and the thumb. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.